In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to disable and enable snipping tool in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on run. You can also press Windows key and R key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the run window. So here, please type for regedit. It is regedit and click on the OK button to continue. If you receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this registry editor. So first you need to proceed with HK local machine, then double tap to expand the list and go with software. Once you find it, you need to double tap again, and here under the software, you need to scroll down and navigate to the policies. Once you find it, please double tap, and under the policies, you can see the Microsoft. Double tap here, and under the Microsoft, okay, you need to create a new key. So by that, make a right click, go with new, and select for a key, and please rename that into tablet PC. Okay, so once done, click on the enter key, and in that way you'll be able to create it. So here in this key name tablet PC, you need to navigate in this area, make a right click, go with new, and select for the word 32-bit value. So please rename that into disable snipping tool. Again, it is disable snipping tool. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once you have set it, you would be able to see that one here. So in order to disable the snipping tool, all you need to do is you need to double tap it, and there you can see a value data. Please set it into 1. Once set it, click on the OK button here and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to disable the snipping tool here in your Windows 11. On the contrary, if you would like to enable that, just open your registry editor again and select the disable snipping tool. And then here, you need to set the value data into 0. Once set, click on OK, close the window and restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, you would be able to enable the snipping tool here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.